6 a.m. and I have class around 8:30. So I'm gonna go get ready and hopefully fast. But at the same time, I am so tired. I can see dark circles under my eyes. Like, that's absolutely insane. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready and I'll catch you later once I'm done. I actually got a rush, like for real. Alrighty guys, I am here. Oh my gosh, it is so cold. I'll go class soon, which I need to rush for that. So come on guys. I'll see y'all later. I just finished from running and I'm so tired. Because I'm coughing and coughing. I probably should just taken it easy first. But, you know, I decided to do that as a warm up. Like 5 minutes running as a warm up. I probably should have gone like slow first before going that much faster. Sorry about that, guys. Should have gone slow first and then go fast later. But of course I wasn't doing that because I was like, oh, I'm gonna do a warm up. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, so I think that I need to start from slow to like running because I just went into it. And now you know I am so tired. Like for real. People can probably think I'm weird, like I'm not gonna lie. I ran like the track and field inside court for 10 minutes. Yeah, I think I did that for 10 minutes. I ran like I think 20 laps or 17 laps in that 20 minutes. the run. I did a couple of workouts, like core workouts. Yeah, I did core workouts mostly, and then I did the rest. But after I did core workout, I decided to go on the run. And bro, I am so tired. Exactly. Look at how sweaty I am. Let's go. Come with my back camera. Anyways, I am done for today. Look at this outfit. I don't know if you can see it. Shoes, New Balance, my face, my forehead is so sweaty. Which is why I decided to do workout like in the evening time, because then nobody see me like this. Well, some people are, but like my ass is so red because I'm so tired. Like I don't know. When I was running, my body just felt weak somehow. Like I had no energy to run. Because normally I do have energy to run, but I don't know what happened today. But maybe it's because I didn't eat breakfast or something.
But like when I was running, I was so tired. Like my bones, my arms felt like noodles, and my leg felt like noodles, and I felt like I was getting tired so easily, which is not always which doesn't really happen. Because like I'm not really going in my full sprints. I'm like literally just jogging, and yet I got so tired.
Okay. Anyways, guys, this is the end of the vlog. I don't know how much of a vlog this is because I literally came to class at 8:30 so early.
Anyways guys, this is the end of the vlog. I tried guys, I tried nothing. I tried my hardest. Literally nothing to do today, nobody was here. Literally just me chatting the entire day, the library, studied, and then did other things as well. And then after studying I ate, because I didn't eat in the morning. I washed after eating, did other things as well. So this is the end of the vlog, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and also comment down below for more content. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Stay blessed.